the whole riot thing starting here.
Okay, Jola ji, what did you say about are you there and how are you excited for that?
क्या
कितनी excited है आज की शाम को लेकर और क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि फाइनली जाग गए सब मराठी लोग और अभी उनको सम्मान देने हम इधर आ गए हैं. सो बीइंग अ मराठा, a real Maratha, and being a cop's daughter, so I've grown up in Mumbai around cops, and it's a great, it's a wonderful feeling for me, especially that finally that I'm here to celebrate something that I am part of and been born in it.
कितना एंजॉय करने वाली आज की शाम?
ये तो अब अंदर जाने के बाद मालूम पड़ा ना, आप अंदर ही नहीं जाने दे रहे हो मुझे. लेकिन बहुत मजा आएगा.
अपकमिंग कुछ प्रोजेक्ट अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें?
ओह गॉड,
70
अब काफ़ी नहीं देखती हूँ न्यूज़पेपर, उसमें सब आते हैं मैगजीन कवर्स वगैरह, शोज़ वगैरह, तो काम तो चालू ही रहता है.
Thank you. Jai Hind. Lovely seeing all of you. Thank you.
Did you like to say something?
There's so many things to say, but I'm late. What do you want me to say?
I work with Anshu. I work with Anshu.
Hi, tell me. Okay.
You can say a few words. Say a few words about the event. What do you feel today? The Marathas are getting felicitated. How you feel like? So facing the camera.
I feel fantastic that the Marathas are being felicitated today. The single most important contribution of the Marathas has been as defenders of the nation, has been as freedom fighters, has been as soldiers who have laid down their lives for our country time and again, so that people like you and me can rest easy and sleep easy. So, I hope this is the start of another great decade which will recognize the martyrs who have laid down their lives for our country. Jai Hind. Thanks.
Thank you. जरूरत नहीं है शेयर कैसे बचाते हैं. Come just stand.
I work with Anshu only, so I'll just take it.
Caller and needed charger for mine.
I'll get it.
झाला वाला है इनसे.
I'll just call Anshu.
साना जी, पहली बार हम देख रहे हैं कि मराठा को सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है, उनको सम्मानित किया जा रहा है. आप बताइए, आपका क्या थॉट है, क्या विचार है, क्या कहना चाहिए?
मुझे लगता है कि राजपूत हो या मराठास हो, सभी का सम्मान करना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि एक इतिहास है. मैं नहीं मानती हूँ कि वी शुड बी इन ए perennial historical hangover, but I think it's important for the younger generation and especially for the new generation to know about lineage.
और आप अवार्ड भी देने वाले हैं अपने हाथों से, तो बताइए क्या फील करते हैं आप?
मुझे लगता है कि कोई भी इतिहास से जुड़ना बहुत ही अहम है, और ख़ास तौर से मराठा हो या राजपूत हो, ये इतिहास हमारी परंपरा का एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा रह चुका है और आते हुए पीढ़ी को भी जानने की आवश्यकता है.
Angie, what do you want me to say to so many mics? This is scary. So, about what? I don't know what I'm supposed to say.
मतलब पहली बार मराठास को फेलिसिटेट किया जा रहा है, पहली बार मराठास को फेलिसिटेट किया जा रहा है. आपके हम प्रेसिडेंट हैं, आप बताइए क्या थॉट है आपके, क्या टेक है आपका?
देखिए, मुझे लगता है सिंस हम लोग इस सिटी में रहते हैं, मराठास आर अ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर कम्युनिटी, और हम जो उनकी हिस्ट्री पढ़ते हैं, वी ग्रोन अप रीडिंग अबाउट द ग्रैंड मराठा हिस्ट्री, सो आई थिंक बहुत एक उनकी जो कल्चरल लाइफ और बाकी चीज़ों का भी आज आई थिंक लोगों को देखने का मौका मिलेगा, व्हाट वाज द ग्रैंडर ऑफ दैट टाइम. सो आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट एंड इट्स अ प्लेजर टू बी हियर. Thank you.
In fact, today she rescued a little dog. So I hand the mic to Aarti to take over the evening.
Good evening. First, I should say friends, all you beautiful people of our lovely city, Mumbai. I am so humbled. I had a speech prepared, but I'm not going to read from it because everyone's speaking from their heart, and this is what Mumbai is about. This is what Maharashtrians are about, and this is what all of you, all of us are about. So we've taken time out from our busy schedules to be here and welcome all these wonderful dignitaries. It's an honor to be here, to be amongst all of you, and I would like you all to give a big hand applause to our dignitaries here. I would like to invite Shaina. Shaina, where are you? I would like to invite Shaina on the stage. Shaina is the daughter of the heart of the city, of the state. She does so much. I know her more as a friend, and I'm going to be very informal today because I think that's going to speak a lot more. Shaina does so much work. She's just working around the clock, running around doing all kinds of things, and she would be a great person to speak about Maharashtra and all the great Maratha Astitva. Shaina, the mic on to you, please.
I think the historian here has said it all, so I don't need to say too much. But as a proud Mumbaikar and as a proud Maharashtrian in Mumbai, and I don't think Maharashtrian just needs to be a Maratha or for that matter even a Dhangar or an OBC or a scheduled caste from Maharashtra. It can be anybody who lives and resides here. I just want to say what Mr. Dalmia said was absolutely correct. That this is the only state in the entire country that has a Maharashtra as a name. All other states would be driven by maybe their geographical or historical backgrounds and linguistic backgrounds, but Maharashtra is truly original because we have the novelty of having Marathas from the state migrate to Baroda, migrate to Indore, migrate to Gwalior, and actually rule the entire nation. So as somebody from Mumbai, I can only say Mumbai Mazi Ladki, Maharashtra Mazi Ladki, and Jai Maharashtra.
Mahata Shahid Saman Trust, and she's an incredible face reader, along with all the other things she does with her charity. Can we have a mic for Jai, please? Jai, I'd like you to speak. I'd like you to say a few
Good evening,
words.
everyone. I hope you're having a good time, and you must have had your drinks or something to have. So it's pleasure to be with Bhaiya and do something for freedom fighters. And yes, looks are deceptive. I am an astrologer by profession, but that's something I do, as my passion. But they've given mic to me because you've been just hearing about Marathas. So I said, let me give you a little flavor of face reading, if you don't mind. Is that okay? Yeah? Maybe I can ask somebody to stand, and I can just give you a little trick on how to read people. Is that okay? Yeah? Would you? So let's make a beautiful lady stand, Ujjwala. Yeah, next is you. Well, I love people who are sporty enough to say hi. To everyone. Hi. Okay. So if you ever have to make out, suppose your son is getting married and you have to choose a girl for him, how would you know that the girl is extrovert? Is she really going to give you a tough time if you bring her back home? Just notice her lips. Yeah? Just notice her lips. If the length of the nose, you have to check by measuring your length of the nose, if it's bigger than the width of your lips, try. See, look there. So just measure, it's like 4 fingers here, but when she closes her lips, it's 7 fingers. So extrovert, if lips are bigger. So these are little things you can maybe just check and understand, you know, whether the other person is extrovert or not. You can check of your partners and give them a tough time tonight. Yeah? Okay.
Okay, before you just said if you to look at a girl and you know what they say in Punjabis, they say to find a girl for your son, look at the mother first.
So
what if the mother is not there? That's a great case. Look at the mother first.
Well, so with her I would like to say that people who have close set eyes, you have to face the audience. Close set eye means when the eye cannot be fit between, you know, the third eye cannot be fit between the two eyes. It's called close set. Suppose मुझे सुई में धागा डालना होगा, I will do my eyes like this and put, you know, the thread through the needle. So because I am focused, so people with eyes like this are very focused in life. They are very keen observers. They will see napkin टेढ़ा क्यों रखा है, तुम सीधा पे फिर लाओ, किचन में सामान कहाँ क्यों, ये दाल का नीचे रखो. People will say, go out, बाहर, please. So you can check by eyes whether people, so bigger eyes, people have larger vision in life. Smaller are too focused, too precise. So by this you can just check whether people are extrovert or how do we know somebody? Anybody who's willing to?
Why don't you go for a guy this time?
It's difficult to touch and, you know, explain.
Yeah, Mr. Talatas, he's sitting right here. So polite and Mr. Perfect.
Please, to say hi to everybody so that they know. So when you look at him, which is the first feature you can actually observe on his face? No? So happy? Well, I'm gonna tell them. So have you heard about sayings like ये नाक पे मक्खी भी नहीं बैठने देती? You know, इसकी नाक बहुत ऊंची है. She's very high-nosed, snobby. So everything is related to your nose. It's all about your ego. If you touch him, you'll have a bad time.
Mr. Alfred, may I pick somebody for you? Mr. Piyush. I have the floor today.
You're shy? If you don't want to, it's okay. You have to stand. Just please stand. Now this is something very important and very secretive. Have you seen a lot of people, especially women, they have hair either on left side like me, sometimes on right, men have partitions to a different side. What does it mean? Why the subconscious mind chose hair to be towards the left side? You could have chosen the other side also, but why left? Because people who have usual hair on their left side are very creative people. They like to do things very differently. Because they try and pump their right brain, which is all about creativity. It's all about emotions. It's all about sensitivity. Creative?
I work for the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, particle physics research.
When you work, you know, for people, or when you have some issues with the organization, or there's a problem in the organization. So, is it your brain thinking out of the box and you're the problem solver in the organization? You're a solution for everything?
Not me, rules. I just listen to the rules. I don't want to break any rules. I just follow those rules. Scientific rules are not to be broken. They just follow.
Really? Is this gentleman into Tata?
His wife is right there. You can ask all the secrets.
I'm so sorry, I have no idea who is. Just his hair on the left side shows it.
That's why I chose
creativity has to be not a Tata guy.
Thank you very much. I'm a filmmaker and a writer, and because of that, I have my hair on this side. If I chose another profession, I would have had it on the other side.
I suggest people try. It's a science, it's physiognomy.
Some of the shortfalls of the government.
Thank you so much. Really, thank you so much for that insight.
The one point we've all forgotten, we've discussed history, art, culture, but the incredible politicians from Maharashtra across the board, and I'm not going to mention them because a lot of them are not even from our party, but irrespective, I think that trait of absolute political acumen from Maharashtra is something to also accept.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes, we need a round of applause for Shaina's insight and her information about the politicians from Maharashtra. Kate, would you please say a few words?
Well, I wasn't prepared for this.
Yes, that's the beauty.
Yeah, I think what a wonderful spot where you can see the whole, the bay from here. And I think, as we all sort of become increasingly more global and we sort of take on the world, I think it's equally important to acknowledge and celebrate your roots because they make you who you are. And you sort of derive strength from that in an increasingly homogenized world. So I feel very proud to be a Maharashtrian. I feel proud to be a Mumbaikar and to be at this platform to be, a part of this wonderful gathering.
We're so happy to have you. May I request on stage somebody who's a legend in the field of design and somebody who's just created history on her own, who's a true Mumbaikar, Pallavi Jaikishan. I think for Nachikeet to receive an award from her is absolutely the most appropriate thing.
Such an honor.
Yes.
Thank you.
God, I really am surprised and shocked. I'm really honored being here today, and it's a wonderful evening, and I wish everyone well, especially my friend here.
I'll just add to that, I think we have it so easy nowadays, and I think what Pallavi Aunty has been doing for years, and really she set the ball rolling, and we learned so much. So thank you for that legacy.
Some Marathi, so please go for it. Say something.
This is a surprise. कारण मला सांगितलं नव्हतं की असं होणार आहे. पण मला खूप गर्व वाटते की आपण साधे सिंपल लोक आहे. माझे वडील पोलीस होते, तर माझी 4 बहिणी आहे आणि आम्ही सगळेजण we grew up around cops. So we've seen everything that possibly we could see. Why? There's not much Marathi. Oh, sorry. Anyways, I am a retired ACP cop's daughter, and we're from a family of 5 girls. So, fortunately, we have a lot of professions in our house, from doctors to teachers to cop to model to actress, to a lot of professions. And I feel that nobody told me when I was thrown in this industry, but people like Aarti, Kailash, Times, Verve, everybody that I've met in 20 years have been so genuinely honest and loving and caring and have nurtured me and taken me under their wings. And today I'm here because of all of them. Thank you, and my family.
I'd like to call on stage somebody who was kind of instrumental in that tiny little step that Ujjwala took, but that tiny step was a big step. And you could be accused of a little bit of favoritism, but it is Kailash, my husband, who spotted Ujjwala in a crowd of girls for the elite look of the year. And she was this really shy, almost terrified girl, sitting in a corner in a large room full of I think maybe about 70, 80 girls who were shortlisted as finalists. And he just spotted her and said, this girl has what it's going to take to make it. And there she is, right here. Kailash, could you say a few words? And then you
Thank you for calling me. I'm a Maharashtrian because I'm born in Bombay. I've spent my life here. I love the city, I love the state. And I've spent my life here. I've made my life here working. I think I've been making films, advertising, I've been doing films for the country, national integration, Mele Surmera Tumhara, the Freedom Torch, quite a lot of stuff which you might have seen. And I'm really proud to be from here. Maybe, my roots are from somewhere else, from Lahore, from Punjab, my parents from Kashmir. But I'm from here and I love it. Thank you.
No, side way, still.
I know everyone.